Greetings, my name is Isaí Jess Muñoz, Chair of the Vocal Arts Department at Boston Conservatory at Berklee and President-elect of the National Opera Association. I'm so excited to be reuniting soon with colleagues from across the nation for the NATS 2023 Summer Workshop entitled Shine On, Inspiring Diverse Repertoire. I've been asked to offer 2 sessions for the workshop. The first focused on Catalan art songs of the 20th and 21st centuries. Victoria de Los Angeles, Montserrat Caballé, José Carreras, all identified as Catalonian, and indeed they are among Native artists who worked to champion the endangered music of their homeland. Much work remains to achieve a deeper understanding of this important area of song, and via this workshop, session attendees will have the opportunity to dive right into a meaningful survey of the literature and the Catalan language. And my second presentation, entitled Living Composers of Latin American Art Song, will illuminate and disseminate the work of Latin American composers from around the globe. One of the presentation's goals is to connect attendees with composers eager to collaborate with singers through commissions and other forms. And so this session will present a vibrant time of listening and learning. And lastly, both of these sessions offer all attendees, meaning you specifically, a unique opportunity to submit yourself for participation as a singer, where you would be selected to present a song by one of the composers featured in the lectures. And this opportunity is available to educators and emerging artists as well. So if you'd be eager to join me as a vocalist on either of these sessions, you may reach out to me directly at imunoz@berklee.edu. That's imunoz@berklee.edu. You can also find out further details for this opportunity on the Shine On Workshop information page. So I encourage you to register now at nats.org for the 2023 Summer Workshop, Shine On. I look forward to seeing you in San Diego. Take good care.